2022 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 46,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.